The hunters who once wandered frozen plains transformed over time into farmers, architects, and kings. These nations established grand civilizations that we know today as the Aztec, Maya, and Inca empires. Towering pyramids in the valleys of Mexico, hidden cities in the dense jungles of Central America, and great centers built above the clouds in the Andes Mountains. All stand as testament to the incredible progress humans made in science, art, and architecture. These civilizations possessed the knowledge of writing, an understanding of astronomy, and the formal art of agriculture. They predicted seasons by the stars, extracted gold from the earth, and worshipped the heavens as gods. But the astonishing part is this: they had no idea that thousands of miles away, another world existed, a world that was soon to set foot upon their shores. This was the dawn of civilization. Over thousands of years, the hunter tribes who once crossed frozen plains now built permanent settlements in fertile lands. This was the moment man first viewed the earth not just as a hunting ground, but as the mother of his survival. They tilled the soil, sowed seeds, and gradually, great civilizations were born. The New World and the Old World both were inhabited by millions of people, yet they were completely unaware of each other's existence. No maps, no stories, no memories. For 11,000 years, the link between these two worlds remained severed. Occasionally, vague rumors surfaced. Chinese poetry mentions a land called Fusang. Perhaps it was the New World. Vikings, Chinese sailors, and some Muslim navigators also claim to have reached these shores, but their stories were lost in the mists of time. Two worlds, two paths, two different heartbeats, two different dreams. On one side was the hustle and bustle of Asia, Africa, and Europe, where kingdoms, religions, and empires were being born. On the other side, the land of America was silent, where man lived in harmony with nature. Their stories were different, their destinies unknown to one another. The old world was loud. Crusades were raging in Europe, conspiracies were brewing in Asian royal courts, and powerful empires were rising in Africa. Civilizations were fighting, winning, and locking knowledge away in their treasuries. But no one knew that across the ocean, another continent was breathing. The New World was quiet. Life there was peaceful. Mountains, rivers, and forests were the guardians of man. There were no celestial wars or imperial politics, only the deep bond between nature and humanity. But a wave was rising in the ocean of time that was about to break this silence forever. Sometimes voices like whispers could be heard from afar. The mention of Fusang in Chinese poetry. Perhaps it wasn't just a dream. Viking sailors set out toward the west and claimed to have seen strange people. Some Muslim sailors also said they crossed vast oceans to reach this land, but history dismissed these stories as myths. For 11,000 years, silence reigned. No message, no ship, no map. The earth seemed to keep its secrets to itself. But every story has its time, and that time was drawing near. Across the sea, a nation was about to set sail in search of a new world. Like the video? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications on. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to support the channel.